The Nike Air Max 90 White University Red delivers a clean yet eye-catching look built on a timeless silhouette. The bright white upper uses a mix of leather, synthetic materials, and mesh, creating depth through layered textures and detailed stitching. Subtle glossy and matte finishes add movement and structure as you walk. The bold University Red Swoosh stands out against the white base, giving the shoe a strong visual pop without feeling overwhelming. That same red appears in the visible Air unit, tying the design together. Nike branding on the tongue and heel adds a premium touch, with raised details that highlight craftsmanship. Underfoot, the white outsole features a pattern grip for everyday stability and comfort. First released in the early 1990s, the Air Max 90 remains a favorite thanks to its iconic design and visible air cushioning. This colorway balances simplicity and impact, making it easy to style while still turning heads.